Communication and crew coordination. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of communication and crew coordination in aviation, essential for ensuring safety, efficiency, and harmony in flight operations. Today, we'll look into effective communication skills, strategies for harmonious coordination among cabin crew members, cultivating situational awareness, and techniques for sound decision-making in both routine and emergency situations. Effective communication skills. Effective communication is the backbone of successful aviation operations. Clear and concise communication ensures that all crew members are on the same page, which is crucial for maintaining safety and providing excellent service to passengers. Clarity and precision. Effective communication begins with clarity and precision. Cabin crew members must articulate their messages clearly, avoiding ambiguity. For example, when instructing passengers on safety procedures, it's important to use simple, direct language to ensure understanding. Avoiding jargon, and speaking in a calm, steady tone can significantly enhance comprehension. Active listening. Active listening is equally important. Crew members should listen attentively to their colleagues and passengers, demonstrating empathy and understanding. This involves maintaining eye contact, nodding to show comprehension, and providing feedback that confirms the message was received. Active listening helps to build trust and ensures that important information is not missed. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication, including body language, facial expressions, and gestures, plays a crucial role in conveying messages. Positive body language, such as maintaining an open posture and smiling, can enhance passenger comfort and cooperation. Additionally, being aware of non-verbal cues from passengers can help crew members address concerns proactively. Strategies for harmonious coordination among cabin crew members. Harmonious coordination among cabin crew members is essential for a seamless flight experience. Effective teamwork ensures that tasks are completed efficiently, and any issues are resolved promptly. Team briefings. Team briefings before flights are vital for setting the tone and expectations. During these briefings, the in-charge cabin crew member outlines the flight plan, assigns specific roles, and reviews safety procedures. This ensures that all crew members understand their responsibilities and fosters a sense of unity. Mutual support. Mutual support among crew members is crucial. This involves helping each other with tasks, offering assistance during busy periods, and providing emotional support. A culture of mutual support enhances morale and ensures that the team operates as a cohesive unit. Conflict resolution. Conflicts may arise among crew members due to differences in opinions or stressful situations. Effective conflict resolution strategies include addressing issues promptly, listening to all parties involved, and finding mutually acceptable solutions. Maintaining professionalism and focusing on the common goal of passenger safety and comfort can help resolve conflicts amicably. Cultivating situational awareness. Situational awareness is the ability to perceive and understand what is happening around you, anticipate potential issues, and make informed decisions. It is a critical skill for cabin crew members, particularly in dynamic and high-pressure environments. Continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring of the cabin environment is essential for maintaining situational awareness. Crew members should remain vigilant, observing passenger behavior, monitoring cabin conditions, and staying alert for any signs of potential issues. This proactive approach allows for early identification and resolution of problems. Information sharing. Sharing information among crew members enhances situational awareness. Regular updates on the status of the flight, passenger needs, and any unusual occurrences ensure that everyone is informed and prepared to respond. Effective communication channels, such as intercom systems and hand signals, facilitate this information sharing. Scenario training. Scenario training is an effective way to cultivate situational awareness. By simulating various in-flight scenarios, crew members can practice recognizing and responding to different situations. This training helps to develop quick thinking and adaptability, essential for maintaining safety and efficiency. Techniques for sound decision-making in routine and emergency situations. Sound decision-making is crucial for both routine operations and emergency situations. Cabin crew members must be able to assess situations accurately, weigh their options, and take appropriate actions. Routine decision-making. In routine situations, decision-making involves managing daily operations efficiently. Techniques for sound decision-making include 1. Prioritization, identifying the most important tasks and addressing them first. For example, ensuring passenger safety and comfort should always be the top priority. 2. Resource management, efficiently utilizing available resources, such as time, equipment, and personnel. This involves delegating tasks appropriately and ensuring that all resources are used effectively. 3. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, adhering to established SOPs ensures consistency and reduces the risk of errors. Crew members should be familiar with these procedures and follow them diligently. Emergency decision-making. In emergency situations, decision-making requires quick thinking and decisive action. Techniques for effective emergency decision-making include 1. Calm and composure, maintaining calm and composure under pressure is essential. A calm demeanor helps to reassure passengers and enables clear thinking. 2. Assessment and evaluation, quickly assessing the situation, gathering relevant information, and evaluating the options. This involves understanding the nature of the emergency, the resources available, and the potential outcomes of different actions. 3. Collaboration, collaborating with other crew members and the flight deck to make informed decisions. Effective teamwork ensures that all perspectives are considered and the best course of action is taken. 4. Adapting and improvising, being flexible and able to adapt to changing circumstances. Sometimes, emergencies require improvisation and creative problem solving. In conclusion, effective communication and crew coordination are fundamental to the success of aviation operations. By developing clear and precise communication skills, fostering harmonious coordination among crew members, cultivating situational awareness, and employing sound decision-making techniques, cabin crew can ensure safety, efficiency, and a positive passenger experience. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, the importance of these skills remains paramount. Ongoing training and practice are essential for maintaining high standards and adapting to new challenges. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of communication and crew coordination in aviation.